So in here now we will see the drawing tools one by one. So first I'm clicking the line and drawing a line. So rather than doing this, you can also use the command line. So just click the command line and just type L and press enter. So you can access the line tool. So you can just make lines. So next one is polyline. Just click polylines. Just you can draw the polyline. So you can also access the polyline. Just type PL. So you can access the polyline. So you can just so rather than clicking in the random points, you can also give some a length, like I'm giving 5 and press enter. So like this, you can also give the a specific number for the length. So actually, you can ask that what is the difference between line and polyline. So if I just select the polyline, the whole line will be selected. But in the line section, you can only select the particular part of the line. Okay. Also, I need to tell one thing. So you can access the property of your drawing. So for an example, I need to see the property of this particular line. I'm just typing PR in the command line and pressing enter. So you can see these uh, properties for that particular selected line. So what is the length, what is the width, and what is the layer transparency. So those things are you can see. So that is the use of the properties. So I will deleting all my drawings. So the next one is the circle. So you can type C in the command line and you can access the circle. So just click and drag it. You can give diameter. So for an example, I'm giving 6 millimeters. So this is my circle. So the next one is arc. So I am just clicking arc and just drawing the arc. So you can also draw like this. So if you need to know the properties of this arc, just click and select the arc and just type P arc in the command line. So you can see the radius of the arc 5.6. So you need to access the properties of every single things you are drawing in the drawing sheet. So but it is very important to know about the geometry of your drawing. So the next one is a rectangle. So you can access the rectangle by typing REC and press enter. So you can access the rectangle. Then the ellipse. So I'm just clicking and drawing the ellipse. So just click the first point and the next point. So for an example, I'm just deleting this particular thing. I'm just clicking the ellipse and clicking the first point, the second end point, and the rotation, which is uh, from the axis. So next we are going to see the hatch tool. Just click the hatch tool and it will tell you to pick the internal point. So I'm just picking this internal point. You see that the regular ellipse is changed to the solid color. So you can also make uh, the angles and NC styles. So you can change the styles by clicking the patterns, and also you can to go to the gradient, and as well as you can also give some patterns. So that is the those are the drawing tools you can use in the AutoCAD.